safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until aircraft assembly is stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening or closing storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you depart the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you have a designated smoking area. Customers traveling onwards in first and business class are invited to use the premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today.